winner each week was began on January 13, 2018. We had approximately 16 vehicles in our convoy line. From the start, I knew this was a great, well-planned out trip because our leaders, Cole, Scott, and David, took charge of lining everyone up in an order that made sense. They put vehicles that had either trailers or no winches in between other vehicles that had winches. That way, if there was any need for a recovery, everyone had the means to be safe. They ensured also that everyone had a form of communications with them, whether it be a CB radio, ham radio, or an FRS2 radio. And then they told everyone which channel to set the radios to. Overlanding in the winter brings lots of new challenges, even if you've done a trail ride before. It changes the conditions by making them slick and often hiding obstacles that you normally wouldn't have any problems seeing. However, going with a group can actually make it much safer. For one thing, you have people with you that have a wide variety of experience to guide you or to help with the recovery should the need arise. Old and new. Well, it doesn't really matter whether your vehicle is old or new because occasionally any vehicle can break, given the right circumstances. A lot of it depends, though, on the ability of the driver. But no one's perfect, and we all make mistakes. So that's what having others along helps out with. They can share their experience and knowledge, lend a helping hand, make it more interesting. Depending on the personalities of everyone in the group, you can have CB radios are great communication tools, but they also double as a form of entertainment on the ride. It's a chance for drivers to interact with each other, stuff, to let them know when something's going wrong with the vehicle in front of them, or maybe if they think something's going on with theirs. They can tell them when there's low-hanging branches ahead and stuff, tell them to watch out for that tree, stuff, things like that and stuff. But also, they can have a little fun by joking and laughing and stuff. Often on the ride, we might joke about Sam Squint or Run Forest Run, just something to pass the time along. Overlanding is not just about mudding or who has the biggest tires, although guys seem to think sometimes it is. It's a sport for everyone, whether they be young or old. It's a way to get out and explore new places while making new friends. After all, it's as much about the journey as it is about the destination.
Hey Jason, y'all's light connector for the trailer's popped off on his dragon.
I'm wondering if he's stuck.
No, he stopped.
Oh, he stopped. Okay.
And they were worried about the technical.
Okay.
He is stopped.
Four lows probably gonna be good up here.
There we go. Get well enough into it that I can get. I can still stop. I hit him. There you go, baby. Manipulate it. Alright, I'm gonna let him go up the hill.
Mm-hmm.
Ha!
He's spinning.
He's using his traction control. See how the tire.
Yep.
Crested that first climb.
Okay. See, that's gonna be a challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
up. Yep. I think you're hung up.
I think so too. Yep.
All right.
Roll. What is it? What did he say?
What'd you say?
Back up. All right. Which way should I go? Okay.
All right.
Oh. Keep winning that, Sandy.
You got a tractor behind you.
Is it gonna move?
Back up slowly. Call coming back 6 feet. There you go, hold right there. Hard left and back up. There you go. Now, that rock that was holding you up was right there.
I'm gonna go. Can I go that way?
I don't know what's up there.
Yeah.
That rock that was holding you up is split off now.
Okay.
Okay.
If you wanted to come to you can ride it back out and you'd probably be good.
I'm glad he was there.
Yep, me too.
That's what I need you to get out sometimes. Yeah, well,
Wow, what a hill. That was a lot of fun, though. After a try or two, we did make it to the top with no major issues, but I am glad that the guys were there to help guide us, tell us which way was the better way to go and stuff, because they could see things that we couldn't, especially the rock that we kept getting hung up on and stuff. I also heard later in the day this was the same hill that Sean broke his axle on in his Hummer. Thanks, guys.